Good morning, everybody. We're here to rinse out another tie-dye for you.
Trying to, here, step back over. No, I'm trying to make sure you don't fall.
Oh, I'll be alright. I'll make it. This one here has some beautiful colors to it. Quite a unique pattern too. Certainly love the color choice. To the inside.
Alright, now for the fun part.
Unbandaged. This is something different from the last one, I'll tell you that.
Oh, you like the last one.
I do like the last one, but at least this will make you feel better about the last one.
I'm sure we can.
Let's do it. Ooh, nice. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Spiral and better black. Look at that. I think that one's gonna look even cooler once it's washed out all the way. That one's gonna be nice.
Clean, even spiral.
Yeah, I like it. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Look at that. Okay, this one came out pretty good. This is pretty much exactly what she wanted. You know, we hadn't done a spiral in a while. We've been trying to stay away from them because everybody gets tired of them, but these are the shirts that people request the most as far as like to actually purchase from us. These are the ones everybody wants generally. At least like on a factor of 3 to 1. People love spirals. So, and anytime they come out this good, we like to feature them. So even though we haven't been showing y'all most of the spirals we've been doing, anytime we do one like this that turns out, you know, just picturesque, why not feature it on the channel? But yeah, great color gradient, great pattern, just a beautiful classic spiral tie-dye tee. Full rainbow with better black. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.